We need 2 pieces inflated balloon, same size. You have to leave this part without air, and then you have to twist it like this, and then squeeze to let some air go to the end of the balloon, and then you have to turn it over, twist it again, just like this, and then after that you have to squeeze one more time, then just twist at the end of the balloons like this one. It's just a little bubble, and then turn it over, twist it again, just like so, and then you are just going to arrange the balloons to form a butterfly. Just like this one, you just need to put the 2 bubbles together. You have to press it to form a better wings for your butterfly. There you go, 2 balloon butterfly. Thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah.